tarp has been destroyed. So thankfully I have a sunny day today, so I'm headed out to Whitby to repair my tarp. I've already done this 2 other times, so it's getting kind of old. I have to put my fascia board on and then temp up a new tarp situation so that it can be covered and we can still work while it's covered. We need 3 dry days in order to complete the waterproof deck installation, and it has to be 50 degrees. We're not going to have those days for quite a while, and I want to get this done before our ciders can start because we kind of have to. So I'm going to put the fascia on, get stuff temped up, and then I'm going to wait to install the sheeting on the deck because I don't want that to get wet if the tarps leak. And so I'm just going to wait to install that the day before the waterproof decking goes on. So that's the plan for today. I'm almost there now, and so I'm going to get to work. Last night, my battery died. I got my platform all done and I temped up my tarp just to kind of keep it dry overnight in case it rained. But I didn't quite get it all nailed in. I just kind of stapled it in. So I just pulled up to the property and you will not believe this sight. It looks like it's salvageable because it's really huge, and so I can cut off all the stuff that got ripped. I just got to wrangle that thing in, staple it all down, and nail it in with the 2x4s. Also, I got some more fascia, so I'll finish that up. As you can see, my tarp didn't make it through the night because I only had it temped up. And luckily I came back the next day to finish it off. It didn't get totally destroyed. I built this little thing here so that we could still work on the deck here. And our waterproof deck guy could work while covered. I put this string across the top here that's rope, and it's pulled tight. It goes through these eyelets here, because I was having a lot of splitting here before on this roof line, and so I needed something here to keep the tarp from coming this way. So that's pulled tight and tied off back here, so that gives it a little bit of resistance. Hopefully that works. This only needs to stand up for 3 or 4 more days because my waterproof deck guy is going to start on Thursday, hopefully. So that's it.